Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam O Alikum. Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss Mathematics SSC-II. In our today lesson, we will discuss new syllabus, PTB book foundation, Mathematics SSC-II Unit number 1 in Quadratic Equation. According to SLO base or FBISC requirement, examples and exercise 1.2. Now we will discuss question number 1, part 1 to 3 in part 1, remaining part in other video. Now let's start the today lesson. First of all, we will discuss quadratic formula because complete exercise 1.2 using and solving by quadratic formula. Now we will derive the quadratic formula. So first of all, derivation of quadratic formula. Derivation of quadratic formula by using the completing square method. So by completing square method, we use the quadratic equation in standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. In completing square method, we have coefficient of x square by 1. So getting here 1, we will dividing the complete equation by a. So dividing the a, now a by ax square plus b upon ax plus c upon a is equal to 0. Here a is cancelled out by a and shifting c upon a as a constant term on other side. So we have shifting c upon a to right side, then equation become x square plus b upon ax is equal to minus c upon a. Then we have arranged by completing square method, we have adding 1 upon 2 multiplied by coefficient of x b upon a whole square on both sides. Then b upon 2a whole square on both sides. Adding b upon 2a on both sides, then x square plus b upon ax plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to minus c upon a plus b upon 2a whole square. Here a square plus 2ab plus b square, this equation become a plus b whole square. Then we write that x plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to minus c upon a plus b square upon 4a square. Now then taking the complete square, we have x plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to minus c upon a plus b upon 4a whole square. Now this implies that x plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to taking LCM of this term 4a square. So 4a square minus 4ac plus b square. Now this term. Then we have x plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to minus 4ac plus b square upon 4a square. Now taking square root on both sides, then we have taking square root on both sides, x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus 4ac plus b square upon 4a square whole square root. So this implies that plus b upon 2a move on right side, then x is equal to minus b upon 2a plus minus 4ac plus b square upon 4ac whole square root. Now we have write that x is equal to minus b plus minus 4ac plus b square whole square root divided by 2a, where a is not equal to 0 is known as quadratic formula. So we derive the quadratic formula by using the quadratic equation. So here quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Then we using the completing square method and derive the quadratic formula. We have x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is known as quadratic formula. Now let's start the exercise 1.2. In exercise 1.2, question number 1, first part. In question number 1, first part, x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. We comparing both equations and find the value of a, b and c. Then comparing both equations, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to minus 2 by comparing the coefficient of x square, x and constant term. Then we using the quadratic formula. Here quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is a quadratic formula. Now putting the value in quadratic formula, then x is equal to minus value of b 7 plus minus 7 square minus 4 into value of a is 1 and value of c is minus 2 divided by 2. Putting the value of a, b and c in quadratic formula. Now we solving the equation, then we have x is equal to minus 7 plus minus 7 square minus 4 into 1 multiplied by minus 2 divided by 2 into value of a into 1. So minus 7 plus minus 7 square is 49, minus multiply by minus plus, 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So minus 7 plus minus 49 plus 8 divided by 2. So we have minus 7 plus minus 57 whole square root, 57 whole square root divided by 2, because 49 plus 8 is equal to 57. So the solution set of x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0 is minus 7 plus minus 57 square root divided by 2. Now we solve the question number 1 in second part. Second part, 5x square plus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. And standard form of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, standard form of quadratic equation. Now comparing both equations and getting the value of a, b and c. Now comparing the coefficient of x square, x and constant term. Now we have a is equal to 5, b is equal to 8 and c is equal to 1. Now comparing the coefficient of x square, x and constant. Then A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8 and C is equal to 1. Then we using the quadratic formula. So quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So putting the values of a, b, c in quadratic formula, we have x is equal to minus 8 plus minus 8 square minus 4, value of a 5 and value of c is 1 divided by 2 into a, value of a is 5. Now putting the value in quadratic formula, then we have x is equal to minus 8 plus minus 8 square 64 minus 5 fours are 20 and 20 ones are 20 divided by 5 twos are 10. Then minus 8 plus minus 64 minus 20 is 44 divided by 10. Now we have minus 8 plus minus 2 into 11 square root because 44 is 4 multiplied by 11. Square root of 4 is 2. So taking the outer, then minus 8 plus minus 2 into 11 square root divided by 10. Taking 2 as a common, then 2 taking common, then minus 4 plus minus 11 square root divided by 10. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So the solution set of given equation 5x square plus 8x plus 1 is minus 4 plus minus 11 square root divided by 5. Now move the next question, question number 1 in part 3. In given statement, 3 square root of x plus x is equal to 4 into 3 square root. So we arrange the equation, then we have square root of 3x square plus x minus 4 into 3x square root is equal to 0. So the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So comparing both equations, we have a is equal to square root of 3, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 4 multiplied by square root of 3. Now after comparing the coefficient of x square, x and constant term, then a is equal to 3 square root, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 4 into square root of 3. Quadratic formula, then quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. Now putting the value of a, b and c in given formula, then x is equal to minus value of b is 1 plus minus value of b is 1. So 1 square minus 4 into value of a is square root of 3 multiplied by minus 4 into square root of 3 divided by 2 into 3 square root. So solving this equation, x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 square is 1, 4 multiplied by 4. So 4 fours are 16 minus minus plus. So 1 plus 16 into square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 is equal to 3. Because square root of 3 whole square, so square cancel out by square root, that is equal to 3 divided by 2 into 3 square root. Now solving this equation, x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 16 threes are 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 49 square root divided by Now 3 square root. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 49 square root is 7 divided by 2 multiplied by square root of 3. Here 2 coefficient. Now either x is equal to minus 1 plus 7 divided by 2 into square root of 3, or x is equal to minus 1 minus 7 upon 2 into square root of 3. This implies that x is equal to 7 minus 1 is 6. So 6 divided by 2 into square root of 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. And similarly, x is equal to minus 1 and minus 7 minus 8 upon 2 into square root of 3. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So x is equal to 3 upon square root of 3, or x is equal to minus 4 upon into square root of 3. Here we can rationalize the number by square root of 3. So multiplying with a square root of 3 and also dividing by square root of 3. So this implies that x is equal to 3 upon square root of 3 multiplied by 3 square root upon 3 square root is equal to x minus 4 upon square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 divided by square root of 3. So this implies that x is equal to 3 into square root of 3 divided by 3 square root whole square, or x is equal to minus 4 into square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 whole square. 3 cancel out by 3, so x is equal to square root of 3, and also x is equal to minus 4 multiplied by square root of 3 upon 3. So the solution set of given equation square root of 3 was minus 4 multiplied by square root of 3 divided by 3. So we have find the solution set of given quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. Solution set is square root of 3 was minus 4 multiplied by 3 square root upon 3. Best of luck. Subscribe our channel for more videos.